How to fix no notification sound in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and click on notifications and scroll down, and here you can turn on your notifications. Simply click on an app and then here you can allow your notifications. After allow your notifications, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.